Hello, I'm making this video because someone asked about some things that are said here in the intro to MyOpenMath. Everyone should do this exercise because it tells you how to enter certain types of answers, such as interval notation, inequality. It also tells you how to do just coordinate points, though it doesn't show lines, but that's important. But it shows you how to enter exponents, as well as if you need parentheses, so that you have something like this: 2 plus x over 3 minus x. Also with square roots, how to do exponents with more than one term in the exponent. There are some changes here though. One says that after clicking in the answer box, click the yellow arrow that shows to the right of it to use the equation editor. And I know even in some of my videos, I talk about using that math quill with the yellow arrow. Now, MyOpenMath has actually made some updates where instead of a yellow arrow, you just click in the answer box and a drop-down menu comes with some of the symbols. So you no longer have that arrow, but there are some questions that you may get in your homework or quiz or even tests where this doesn't pop down, and that's where you need to know all of these methods of answering questions, such as the fractions, if you can't use the fraction tool. If you have to do exponents and you don't have this exponent tool, you may need to use this method. So hopefully this will help you with entering some answers. Most of the time, especially in my classes that I've had, I put this as one of the assignments, so you would be able to have it as even a preview after it was past due. But I believe that for most of the time, anyone that takes a class that is done through MyOpenMath, you have access somewhere in your course to the little thing called Intro to MyOpenMath. If you don't, then maybe ask your teacher how to enter things. If you do, go through this, because it's good to see how to enter, especially when you get to interval notation. That's important, how you have to put it into the computer. Also, even though it doesn't say this, I know for a lot of them when entering inequalities, don't put any spaces. Like here, put 3 less than x, and then put less than equal sign, and then a 5 with no x's or no spaces in between, because for some reason MyOpenMath will mark you wrong for some items that have that space in there. Alright, that's it for this video. Do well in whatever class you may be taking.